Chairman Wontumi is in the news again. Na NPP former General Secretary John Boadu onoso nano ekoyi ne ka asesi a ne keka kodo 15 years one sha court edebama no IGP CID boss Peace Council omunyina no omunya mess call from the headquarters metomebo na medwom. Kindly subscribe to Trends GH on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Bibia Trends GH. Ebusia UK na wo US. Na sa wo ship yo nyoma ebepiem wo Ghana nkwadia. Shipping the beast and I recommend omo amount. Omo se eba na shipping ho sensem pa dia. Omo ntesa ya nomfo a ebe take 2 months, 3 months na dia. Debi when it comes to shipping the beast omo ba ship yo nyoma amount within 3 to 5 days. Say a family gift, online shopping be na waye, then the opesa wo shipping eba Ghana nkwadia. Shipping the beast and I recommend omo amount. Sana meka ye no 3 to 5 days omo ba ship yo nyoma no amount. Enti from na woni omo encheche enkomo omo number na egu screen no so no. Minimisa wo bisa say asamba mbio na esi. Asemi na ne say Bernard Entwibu Esiakun aka Chairman Wontumi oye Ashanti Regional Chairman for the NPP. No the ocean him say NPP for beto abama no na wa be National Chairman. Wo ba ya 7th October and a Chairman Wontumi okopie mo High Court when it comes to galamsey charges and I say illegal mining charges Attorney General Honorable Dr. Dominic Akuritinga Ayene odi abono enu nti no court ejina so Emma Chairman Wontumi bail no de omo san so kire mu say Chairman Wontumi oni ho kwan say obetu kwan every Ghana oni ho kwan say even Togo kra no obekọ na Chairman Wontumi eyade a jaja otena na asam so no o kire mu say ende eye 28 October no na Chairman Wontumi onsen kopie mu court na no de asam no ebusuan afi de omo nko deep afi de state prosecutor Attorney General on na pam for mu de omo ko court no de omo are ready judge so itina do mono de judge so yes we are about to start afi de Chairman Wontumi wo here nowhere to be found Chairman Wontumi lawyers so wo here nowhere to be found eno na ebusuan judge no chem say ebe no case we ya on pese obeche wo ho kra eno nti no Chairman Wontumi baby wo bia no High Court issue bench warrant for ne arrest. Say police for omo hwehwe Chairman Wontumi baby wo bia no omo nche no na no de omo fa na court ho adanya Chairman Wontumi wa absent no ho ende from court without permission. Eno na busuya few minutes eno de reportage we ba bonten no ka bi ba Accra High Court ho mejre room 4 eno de Chairman Wontumi on ne lawyer Honorable Andy Apiakubi na no de omo ekopie mu court ho So clearly, Chairman Wontumi on a lawyer, Honorable Andy Apiakubi, no more copy mu court where no de omuko tie ebano galamsey charges na adiana asamono omuko deep wo hono. So does that mean say bench warrant judge no issue for Chairman Wontumi's arrest no yade apaska asen atonsuom anasere because clearly omu chem say Chairman Wontumi when copy mu court no de wa absent no ho without permission no need na arrest warrant no na enenam from mu but Chairman Wontumi yade on a lawyer Honorable Andy Apiakubi omu copy mu e wo court ho no de asamono omuko di Esa Chairman Wontumi ankasa no akwa no what timing na yambonra John Boadu na kache John Boadu ye former NPP General Secretary asesi ade o hwe nim say NPP beto abama no na wa be National Chairman na John Boadu ni video bi trend wo mochimonka highway no so a chese ono ankasa na no na ekogi ne ka when it comes to vigilantism and ho ensensem see invisible forces and to the extent say do baby no almost is so formidable say the government couldn't do the excesses and that is coming back again because there's no way you better say at the party you're to about just about 5-9 police stations the NDC took over the place and beat everybody up. This is not going to happen. This is not going to and severe year no 2016, severe year no 2020 no, it is coming back and that is what is motivating them. Yes.
No power.
John Boadu in some way no dey abetu dwa I know dey what ya or say invisible force any other vigilante groups are na ewo NPP mu no ade a ebusuan omo dey back na no dey ne omo ye in 2016 any 2020 no ade a ewo say omo dey sa actions no ehihye so na wo bia so a wonim invisible force any delta force ne na pamfo no eba no omo records a ebusuan wankasa no wo search a ebusuan wo behu dwumadi a omo de share so ewo Ghana ha na John Boadu ensem we odi tu dwa say no de was akan na ken omo te that vigilante group na no de omo de face NDC no eno na ebusuan amanfo chem say anyanya bia no former general secretary for NPP asesia no ohwe say obey national chairman for NPP no ni we free say in the year 2019 na Dankwa Ekufuado Ghana man pedi dada in fact ordinance ehye krata so mane baye mbra etia se obi eni ho kwan se obeti vigilante group ewo Ghana ha impo no se wo encourage se vigilante group ewo sa mote krampo na ebusuan mbretia wa wo befom that mbre we kra na ebusuan court etumi Jailu 15 years na ebusuan me pese be bosremu kaninti no so this is the act we Act 999 Vigilantism and Related Offences Act 2019 23rd August 2019 and Ghana man penida da na Dankwa Ekufuado ordinance ehye mene de ebeye mbra ewo Ghana ha na ebusuan mbra no mu no cha say wo kan kwase ho na de wo hwe vigilante groups prohibition of vigilante groups and activities now ahana asem go no so 3:1 or say a person shall not directly or indirectly A. Form, organize or operate, or B. Promote the formation, organization and operation or activities of a vigilante group. 2. A person who contravenes Section 1 commit an offense and is liable on conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 10 years and not more than 15 years. Se embrewe ya makankan no, etia se obi bia kra no obekirem se ote vigilante group na wo bia eno de wo beka sa ansam no ana se wo de sa enwoma na ade no bezese so no ade a embra no estate ne clear se wafom enu nti no court kra no antwe waso wo ho no just say one day prison kra no na enye 10 to 15 years in fact wo kan embra no kra no wo hwe eye 3 no ene 4 no kra omo kirem se even members wo kra na wo be say wo be join a vigilante group bia no apart from nipa ono what is that vigilante group no wo bia wo so ye member no de wa join no wo so kra no 10 to 15 years ade a court be Jailu wo ho now interestingly wo hwe eye point 6 na or say despite section 2 4 and 5 a person who is convicted for contravening section 1 3 or 5 is disqualified from holding any public political or political party office until at least 10 years have elapsed from the date of the conviction or after the end of the sentence. Sir, obibia obefum that embrewe no, sa nipa krampo no, oni ho kwan, sir obeji position from abemu. Any sa nipa no impo no oni ho kwan, sir ebe no political party or join the krampo na, obenya position ewom. Na sa nipa no betumi anya position ewo party bi mu anase oman Ghana mu a age se at least sa nipa no eye 10 years I no de court e de atwe na so ewo ho no wetumi aserve enu awie asan so clearly say eye police fo ebusuan omo acte sesi a wanhwa na John Boadu ade a national chairman position krampo a ebusuan o chem so obe contest no na say ontumi and contested that position. Now, in fact, what can you almost say? Aiding and abetting of activities of political party vigilante group. A person shall not directly or indirectly instigate, command, counsel, procure or solicit in any other manner, whether by a personal act, presence or otherwise an activity of a vigilante. Natural say, obi krampo wuni hu kwan say, wo krampo no ube suso jagum, anasa ube bo hu wa. Say vigilante group krampo no e wo say yede ba te say na John Boadu ni de ya no de wakoka no say e wo say vigilante group invisible forces na de omo te ye 2016 mu no 2020 mu ha e no de omo da suban bi edi no e wo say that vigilante group no e yade a omo san so abete say na be ya omu de be face NDC because of omu ndi ye bi a omu de na die no a che say pe embra na die no oh ebusun draw so wo de wo search a wo be hu the full act no wo de search act 999 and say vigilantism and related offences act 2019 sana makani na ebusun e wo so pepe eno na asem we ekodu Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ne headquarters a wo chem say our message Emma John Boadu na impo no peace council any other stakeholders almost no omanya mess call IGP any CID boss omo part no ye bedru ho part 1 ye.
How did such a person become a general secretary of a party? Now unim de oka or see ono de oba be lead the party no na we hu say etuturafo no mo bo tuo ku nipa no aye from Delta Force na 2017 NPP ba power DSP nanka Bruce mo omkop tu omo so tuo bu omo no o se sa boys na omo wura courtroom ekobo judge ni ba na onyem no o se mrantie na 2020 ye to aba before 2020 ebe to aba omo de oboko ayawa so west wago ko bo tuo no o se mrantie na 2020 ye to aba omo ku nipa 8 no omo show so jantade no o se enunti na oba back to the party. He's advocating for what we call vigilantism. Just say he believes say omonfe tutua for nemra na wudi omubedi ye no gensan for ommbra niti na oba back abeli the party no ni message no Ghana mremu no there's an act that is against vigilantism. But when we branch we when go for mudinechi this is what we keep talking about. The political message ni apeteshi hwenanim wa noma peteshi hwede waye no kan. And it's so sad say ye nya penyini bi anya ohini bi enya peace council the Catholic dian ye nya penyi bi onim nyansan kan say hey, this is something that we worked so hard to get both parties to even sign a document to say we need to abandon what we call vigilantism in our politics. This is somebody who is now advocating adena act emrawo ho a yeni se obiampo they are affiliated to any group of vigilante groups. Today, I'll send a campaign message. When you read this act, John Boadu needs to be in jail. John Boadu needs to be jailed. He needs to be arrested by the Ghana Police Service. They need to arrest John Boadu. The Ghana Police Service, they need to invite him. Because he is basically doing advocating, promoting the formation of a vigilante group. Okay, or see a Delta Force back. Delta Force, what does it represent? It represents vigilantism. It represents death. It represents chaos. It represents mayhem. So what is this guy advocating for? And the act states it clearly. If any person shall not directly or indirectly, and this guy stood on national television, on TV to say directly that they need to form a vigilante group again. Why is he walking on the streets of Ghana? The crime he has committed, it will never die. John Boadu needs to end up in jail. We need to set an example. You see, and I'm calling on the Peace Council, the Christian Council. They are the ones who are supposed to lead this charge and be like John Boadu needs to face the law. I am calling on the Peace Council. I'm calling the Christian Council, the National House of Chiefs. I'm calling on the Catholic bishops. John Boadu, you are the people who are supposed to lead this charge and call for John Boadu to be brought to book. Because if you don't, I am going to send this warning to all of you. The Peace Council, the National House of Chiefs, the Christian Council, the Catholic bishops, all this Islamic Council leadership. If you people don't advocate that John Boadu faces the court, the law, John Boadu is arrested and prosecuted, none of you people should rise up one day and speak about peace in Ghana. Because you can see clearly what the act says. I have played a video of what the guy said. Nobody in their right senses can tell me John Boadu never or hasn't committed a crime. If you guys fail to lead this charge, you, the Peace Council, Christian Council, Muslim Council, traditional House of Chiefs, you will not like Ghana youth. That will be the end of you people, your influence on Ghana politics. You people have seen this video. I have read the acts. You people pretend the same munhushi. Ni abesha di oye bema wo shwa wo Ghana say asema si ye Christian Council mote ho na ye behwe dwunso egum so live TV so.
After Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ni introduction we eno no chem say eye IGP Christian Tete Yohuno wenya mes call eye CID boss Madam Donko ono so no wenyame call impo afanyo maken ne assault on police officer no ono so kra no wenyame call.
IGP, you need to arrest this boy tomorrow. And yes, sir, from now to the end of the year, you'll not be happy with me. This fool, John Boadu, he needs to be arrested. There's an act. John Boadu is not above the law. A petition will be sent to the IGP. A petition will be sent to you. A petition will be sent. John Boadu needs to be arrested. And you, the IGP, Mr. Yohonu, your credibility is on the line. The CID boss, you people, your credibility is on the line. Pretend as if what you have seen. We are going to send the videos to you. Pretend as if what is going on, you've not heard it. Near Tia, you the CID boss. Afenyo Markin slapped a police officer in uniform. You the CID boss. Why I want to say, media and Kamasem, I'm a nice woman. I media can speak grammar. You need brew on swa, we need Ghana. You the CID boss. Afenyo Markin slapped a police officer. You threw that matter into a trash bin. You are working in Ghana by with the draws and pretend and say, you are Mrs. Nice. Nobody can speak in your face. I will speak in your face. You are not better than any police officer in Ghana. If a member of parliament are stretching in public to slap a police officer and you, the CID boss and IGP, you are working in a forerunner, that you don't respect any police officer in Ghana. You people are despicable. Because why is IGP, why is the CID boss, why are you people sitting there and not making sure the right thing is done? You said you open an investigation. What happened to that investigation? CID boss, what happened to the Afenyo Markin assaulting a police officer who was protecting him? What happened to the investigations? You people have no credibility. And I'm going to put you people on my show every day. It means you are being selective when it comes to application of the law. You people are picking who to torment and who to frustrate in Ghana. You cannot apply the law when it comes to your own colleagues and friends. You people have become a problem to Ghana. You, the CID boss and IGP, you are the most corrupt people right now. Until you people bring Afenyo Markin investigation for us to see, I will tell Ghanaians that you are the most corrupt people in Ghana today. What is going on in Ghana? Today, his fellow politician, his fellow MPP man is standing on national television telling us to bring back vigilante against the act. He's encouraging young people to go out there and kill people. And the IGP is sitting there. The CID boss is sitting there. You think it's a joke? You think it's comedy? The law needs to work. A member of parliament slapped a police officer for crying out loud. And you, the CID boss, you want a police officer to protect you? When you leave your house, you expect a police officer to sit in your home and protect your house? You, the IGP, when you go to bed, you want a policeman to be sitting in a mosquito and protecting you. But a politician is assaulting a police officer. You have it on camera. You want to pretend you've not seen it. So do you expect every police officer to see you as a friend? One day, these same police officers you people don't care will turn against you people. And we have seen it over the years. It is about the way you treat them. It's about the way you make them believe in the uniform they are wearing. It is about you people showing commitment. You took an oath to make sure the law applies irrespective of the person in front of you. You people are being selective when it comes to the law. The IGP and the CID boss, you are being selective about who can be arrested and who can't be arrested. Why is John Boadu walking and why is Afenyo Markin walking? What kind of nonsense is this in Ghana? Did we bring you people into office to come and do beauty pageant? Come and sit there and laugh? You IGP came to the US. You went to New York. You saw the FBI. You went to police officers. You saw the professionalism they applied to their job. You come here, you come and stay in a hotel, you enjoy yourself, you go back to Ghana and see police officers like mad people. No protection for them. Politicians using police officers like wipes. Is that the kind of police that we entrusted into your hands? You said you have experience. The reason why majority of us were supporting you was because people said you have the experience. You respect the police force. Today you have been an enemy of the police. The CID boss has become another actor all around. And we are sitting and watching you people. No respect for the law. No respect for the rule of law. You people sitting there and do anything else. These people are supposed to be called. We want to get to the bottom of the investigations. Afenyo Markin's investigations. He assaulted a police officer in uniform. We want John Boadu to be called to the police. He needs to be prosecuted. I swear to God, if you people think it's going to be politics and normal things as usual, things have changed. If you don't hold on to the power you have to make sure it works, people will override you people like chicken.
Kevin Ekobenu Taylor, warning message. Any allegations way and the audio button from him about IGP, any of the CID boss. What ya we say? Sesiano, what pa omoye the enemy of the police, IGP, any CID boss. Any ponu omoye corruptor, IGP, any CID boss. Na so munim na se omo arrest eye John Boadu wo sansem o de betu dwa no de makan ya no de e kire se wetia mbra na eye ade a IGP Christian Tete Yehu no IGP position na okuta no ebefono no na CID boss ono so eye ade a ne position no ebefono no na so omo pa kasa afenyo ma ken kwampo a o assorted police officer no ono so investigations na de ekosi sen just say omo acte anya sa ebegeta any gumbelicious e wo mo akache share wa dwema me comment section ho let's share video we ma for so nsenkebi macro Land King Company Limited omo ada Roma asase a omo ton a eno de man sotwi bia no eni hu asase a woto a ebe no electricity any nsu a ebusia woni problem there Land King Company Limited omo ena makanfo omo ama meni wo kesei omo wo nsase ni bi ewo ashalaja a half plot 70 feet by 50 feet available so ena full plot 70 feet by 100 feet and also available now enye no pe wo Land King Company Limited a nsase bia wo pe bia no wo de from na yade a omo be sort out impono Land King Company Limited omo wo nsase ni bia omo ton a ebusia omo atwa fence wall afa ho a eyade a gate so krampo da no dada any office no single room self contained ewo that asase a omo ton no so light ewo ho ninti no omo asan so agi prepaid meter ewo so inteno de nya fiansa wo be nante ho debi na yade a price no so no negotiable eno nti wo betumi ene omo aka na ne price a omo peso omo gem ma no omo gem ama omo office ewo pukwase here a omo number na egu screen so no from na wo Land King Company Limited enye adwuma na yembonra eye nkakansa into details